and how you lay out the applications. We've built all of this with our management tools. So Enterprise Manager, you heard this morning, Thomas talked about Enterprise Manager 12c, which is being launched later this evening. With Enterprise Manager, we've built in the management for Exalogic, taking a large machine, a large rack, being able to create the virtual data centers that, again, you heard about this morning, allocating resources to different applications which are isolated, managing that in a self-service way, so IT doesn't have to deal with it. They can create the little slice of Exalogic that is for this particular application, hand it to them, and then they can do self-service management of that with all the metering, chargeback that you might expect. Couple that with the deep integration with our Enterprise Manager tools. For all these years, we've done hardware management, software management, application management. Not just what's running on the hardware in terms of the VMs, but what's running in the VMs. What is the application running in the VM? How is it behaving? And again, you saw a little bit of this morning when Thomas demoed this, as well as the proactive support. We don't want you to have to call us all the time when you discover the problem. We've got these tools integrated with our support systems. We can detect them as quicker in most cases, through phone home capabilities, through the ability to not just reactively manage faults, but also proactively deliver patches, recommendation, health checks, because again, this is connected to our support systems. So now, again, last year we talked a lot about these benchmarks in terms of particular features that we had implemented and the results that we were seeing. Since then, we've obviously been able to now run a lot of our products. I'll highlight a couple of these. Tuxedo, as I mentioned, great platform for mainframe replatforming. If you're paying X amounts of dollars a month or year for MIPS, Tuxedo together with Exalogic is a great platform to move your mainframe applications. 7 times better response time or 7 times less response time on Exalogic with Tuxedo. Similarly with SOA Suite. ADF, which is our application development framework, content management, fairly dramatic improvements across the board. Not just our middleware products, but also our applications. And these are results where you're using Exadata and Exalogic together. Our business applications, eBusiness Suite, Siebel, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, our vertical applications in the communication sector, in the retail sector. So again, between last year and this year, we've seen a significantly better, to be quite honest, results, both in terms of the workloads that we're running, as well as the customer adoption. Again, I'm highlighting just a few of the customers here. It's been pretty consistent in terms of across the globe, across all the different geographies, across a lot of different industries. Just want to highlight a couple of these. Again, Haier, a Chinese